guys, Derek here, Referral Auto Group. You guys ready to go through a Forest River EVO F2505? It's coming up here in just a sec. Stay tuned. Derek here. You're obviously looking for your next RV. If you have any questions or need any advice, hit me up at the number below. I'd love to assist you in your journey ahead, and let's get back to it. Hey guys, Derek here, Referral Auto Group. Today I'm walking you through on this Forest River EVO F2505. It's beautiful on the inside. I can't wait to show it to you. But as always, I'm going to go over the boring stuff real quick. It's 32 feet overall length, 85/75 dry weight, 11,600 GVW. You have a 50-gallon fresh tank, 65-gallon gray, 40-gallon black tanks. You have a 10-gallon half gas, half electric water heater, and it sleeps 4 comfortably until you start improvising. Now also you can see on your front molded fiberglass cap, you have tons of LED lights to give it a nice aesthetic. Don't know if you can see it on camera, but it looks great. Now let me move over to the pass-through storage. I really like what they did with the pass-through storage here. They utilized their room wisely. Tons of room here, shelves also inside, and you have your water connections. You have your 50 amp plug right here, and on the one slide out, you have storage right here, and as you can see, storage in the back. Now, speaking of seeing, I recommend you come out here, take a look at it in person for yourselves. Videos and pictures never do anything justice, and we want to make sure we find the right trailer for you to experience new adventures and new memories. Now, also, you can see your mounted spare tire here on the back. It is prepped for a ladder. It also has a 200-watt solar panel, a 15K BTU AC, and it's prepped for another solar panel if need be. Now, moving along to the outside here too, you have an outdoor fridge and skillet to enjoy outdoor camping. Now let's move on into the inside. As you can see right here, you have your dinette that breaks down into that second bed I was talking about. You have storage underneath, storage here, and storage on the sides. Now, as you can see, you have your Thomas Paine recliners here, extremely comfortable. You have your 12-volt residential fridge. You have a giant microwave. Pictures of the microwave and the fridge and the oven are all posted. You have a 3-top burner stove, and as mentioned, giant oven. You have a nice big fireplace, huge soundbar, and a giant TV, crystal clear. You also have solid surface countertops instead of your normal thermofoil. Let's go ahead and move on into the bathroom. Tons of space in the bathroom. You have storage right there as well, porcelain toilet, 2-panel shower, thermofoil countertop in the sink. Hi guys. Storage behind here as well. Now let's move on into the master. You have a king-size RV mattress, huge. You also have your connections right there and there. You have storage under as well. Storage right there, place for your shoes or your pet that likes to sleep under the bed. And you have storage behind your mirror here too. It's a nice deep storage. Look at that. I really like how they utilize their framed windows. They're 50% open windows. That way you can enjoy a nice fresh breeze. And with the amount of windows it provides, it gives you a nice open feel while you're out camping and you see everything. But they can't see everything of you because these have blackout drop-down shades. Let me demonstrate real quick. No silhouetting here. All right, let me get a pan of the whole area again. Let's move on outside to give you a pan of the outside. F2505. Backing up. Now, as you can see also, we have our service department here. It's a full service department. We have a 5-star rating. If you don't believe us, take a look online or test us for yourselves. We're not strong-arm salespeople who like to inform and educate, so that way you make the right decision on your next RV. This is the Forest River EVO F2505. We look forward to seeing you then, and as always, have an amazing day.